The AIRROBO 2800Pa robot vacuum features intelligent navigation and a zigzag cleaning pattern, ensuring comprehensive coverage of your floors. With a remarkable battery life, this robotic vacuum can clean for up to 120 minutes continuously, and it recharges itself automatically. Its three-stage cleaning system and four distinct cleaning modes make it versatile enough to handle various cleaning tasks efficiently. Offering a powerful suction of up to 2,800 pascals, it effectively cleans hard floors, carpets, and pet hair while maintaining a quiet operation. The convenience of controlling the vacuum through a smart app or remote allows you to manage cleaning schedules and monitor progress effortlessly. Equipped with advanced anti-collision and anti-drop sensors, this robot vacuum navigates safely around your home without causing any damage.